Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Update Oxygen OS and the AI search package, then grant network and contextual permissions so results are relevant. Once done, add AI search to quick settings for instant access. This saves time and keeps the feature ready. Open AI search and tap the microphone or text field to begin. You should see suggestions and contextual cards. If not, make sure background data is allowed and restart the phone before proceeding to advanced use. Now you refine how you ask questions. Speak naturally or type concise prompts. The model reads context from your screen to give targeted answers. Once a response appears, tap image or app cards to dive deeper or extract info like phone numbers or directions. Use the camera to search text or objects. You can also drag selected text into the prompt. Make sure to clear sensitive data from the prompt and confirm any actions before you accept automated suggestions. Finish by using AI search to act. Send messages, set reminders, open apps, or summarize content, and always confirm the action when prompted. If something fails, first clear the AI search cache, toggle required permissions, and restart the device. That fixes most issues. If problems persist, switch networks or reinstall updates. Finally, you can capture a screenshot and report the failure through the feedback option so the team can diagnose device-specific behavior.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.